The phrase, turn it up to 11, still brings a nostalgic smile to my lips. The concept of being over the top unwittingly recognizes that there's a top. In reality, this world is bounded by the number 10. 10 is a magical number. It represents the completion of a series. 11 is just the beginning of the same system once again. The universe was created with 10 statements. Let there be light, let there be a firmament, let the waters beneath the firmament be gathered, etc., etc. And there are 10 plagues, and there are 10 commandments. It cannot be that this theme of 10 is coincidental. What is the link between these three sets of 10? A fruit is covered by a shell. The shell prevents the fruit from being damaged before it's ripe, but it also prevents access to the sweetness of the fruit. On a deeper level, the 10 statements of creation were the fruit of creation encased in its shell. It took 10 plagues to break the casing of this spiritual fruit and allow it to emerge, and that happened on Mount Sinai with the giving of the 10 Commandments and the Torah. This entire universe was created with letters and the words they form. But this reality is hidden from physical eyes, and that's the idea of the 10 statements encasing, hiding the secrets of existence. Each of the 10 plagues was like a nutcracker that revealed in each of those 10 statements its essence, and what resulted was the word of Hashem revealed at Sinai, the 10 Commandments.